On Tuesday, January 31st, DOTD and local officials held a groundbreaking ceremony to celebrate the beginning of the construction on Phase 3 of the I-10 Pecue Lane Interchange project in Baton Rouge. This project is a collaboration with the city's Move BR program. After weeks of stalling due to funding, the project is ready to move forward.
So are you feeling accomplished today now to finally kick off the final phase of this project and, having to go through so much to make this even happen?
Absolutely. This is huge to see a 30-plus-year-old project actually get designed and built and funded under one administration. Says that we put real work into it. I can't be responsible for what happened prior to 2016. Even though I worked at the Department of Transportation, I was not the leader. And the legislature was changed. The funding scenarios have all changed. And we've been able to deliver a project that citizens have wanted.
Construction is estimated to be completed in early 2026. This will be the first diverging diamond interchange in East Baton Rouge Parish.